Hey guys, it's Charles with TweetTown.com. I'm here today at CES 2014, and I'm visiting the Corsair suite, and I'm going to talk to Jason about a cool new mechanical keyboard they're showing off.
Great. We have a world first. It's the first Cherry MX RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. Corsair has worked in partnership with Cherry to have an exclusive for the RGB technology through 2014 to 2015. Um, what this keyboard does and makes it unique is that it's per key color illumination. So every key on the keyboard will be able to change color, all 16.8 million colors, and also have independent pulse and independent brightness control. And we're going to offer this keyboard right out of the gate, mid 2014, with Cherry MX reds, blues, and browns. We will also feature a brand new software suite that we've built from the ground up. It's going to be totally open source. We'll allow scripting, and if someone doesn't want to use the software, they'll also be able to essentially make their own software.
Cool, man. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.